Díoghaibh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn how to say today. Like most Irish words, it can be pronounced in a number of different ways. In-yuh, in-yuv, or in-yew. In-yuh, in-yuv, in-yew. They're all correct. Now let's use it in a sentence. Let's say, the weather is nice today. Tá an am-sher go jass in-yuv. Tá an am-sher go jass in-yuv. Tá an am-sher go jass in-yuv. Am-sher is weather, go jass is nice. To learn more Irish like this, why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.